What's up guys? So gonna jump in the daily and head over to UPS Access store since they tried to deliver the ball joints and I was most likely sleeping since I work night shift. I ordered the Skunk 2 ball joints for my upper control arms. I read a little bit about the hard race upper control arm, but it has so many mixed reviews, and the most people that do review it are either heavily cambered and lowered, so it's not a match for my car, so I'm not trusting what they say about it. Anyways, in the box it's just the 2 ball joints, branded Skunk 2, nothing special about it. Has a good look at it, and at the bottom has the crown nut and the cotter pin is in the bag. So this is first thing I guess for winter. In addition to that, I know I've talked about it a lot before in the Facebook group and to a couple guys through WhatsApp that are in the States. I finally got my sunroof ready to go to get the carbon fiber mold, so that'll be done this week, or at least dropped off this week, and then hopefully pick it up in the new year and install it, shed a few pounds off the top of the car, and it'll definitely look better, and the only person that will have it is me. Also, I might clean up my intake manifold and the engine bay since it's sitting here, but yep, that's about it guys. Thanks.